Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to 139 in your language class. Let's start off with your song for your prepositions. Ready? Sing with me. Aboard, about, above, across, after, against, along, among, around, at, and that's the first set. Before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, by, down, during, except, for and from, in, inside, into, like, near, of, off, on, over, past, since, through, and throughout, to, toward, under, underneath, until, up, upon, with, within, without. Now we are finished. Boys and girls, I hope that you are memorizing that song, that you know all of your prepositions. What I'd like you to do now is to take out a piece of loose leaf paper and write down as many of them you can remember. Pause the video, don't look at the charts, and write down as many as you can. See if you can remember as many as you can by writing them down. Don't worry too much about spelling. Of course, they're not hard words. Remember what we said, they were little words, but do your best in spelling. Don't worry about that, okay? And we're gonna move on to review your homework at this time. So let me change over to the screen. So your homework was Think D last night, and I wanted to see how many of you got them right. Let's start off with number 1. The apple is on the ground. Is the word ground a noun, verb, pronoun, adjective, adverb, or preposition? Ground, on the ground. Correct, that is a noun. Number 2, the miller ground the wheat. Now that same word ground turns into a verb. Number 3, the grocer sells ground coffee. Same word, different function in that sentence. The word ground coffee is an adjective. Number 4, no man can still the waves. Still is a verb. Number 5, waves are still. Adjective. Number 6, the waves are still raging. That is an adverb. That is telling how they are raging. Number 7, we expect snow this winter. The word snow is a noun. Number 8, the snow fort was large. Adjective, very good. It snows a lot in Maine. If you put verb, you are correct. Number 10, do you like peanut butter? The word like is a verb. Excellent. Let's move that up here. What happened? Okay. 11, she enjoys many hobbies like knitting and sewing. The word like is a preposition. Can you tell me what the prepositional phrase would be? Like knitting and sewing. So that would be your prepositional phrase. Put the like colors together in the box. Number 12, the word like is an adjective. Number 13, candles give light. Light is a noun. It's something that they have. Candles give light. Light the candles. On number 14, the word light is a verb. It's an action. Number 15, the room is light and airy. The word light is an adjective. It is a description of the room. Number 16, the bolt is made of iron. Iron is a noun. Number 17, Uncle Farley has an iron mine. Iron is an adjective. And the last one, I can iron my own clothes. Iron is an action word in that sentence, and therefore it is a verb. Very good. Okay, so let's review some of our sentences. I want you to first read the sentence, find the preposition, find the object of the preposition, and tell me the prepositional phrase. The horses and cattle stayed within the large corral. So if you said that the preposition is within, and the object of the preposition would be corral, and the prepositional phrase would be within the large corral, that would be correct. Very good. Let's do another one. We wrote Psalm 32:8 in penmanship class today. Find your preposition, your object of the preposition, and your prepositional phrase. Think about your prepositional song. Good. In is your preposition. Your object of the preposition would be class, and your prepositional phrase would be in penmanship class. Very good. And the last one, beautiful snowflakes floated gently down to the ground. Now, this is a little tricky. Find the preposition. You're saying to yourself, there's two prepositions. There's two words in here that are in my song. The first one is down and the second one is to. But remember our questions. We're looking for a question that answers what or whom. So your preposition would be to, and your object of the preposition would be ground, and your prepositional phrase would be to the ground. Very good. So tell me, what kind of word is down if it's not a preposition? It's an adverb. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, I'm on page 211, and this is part Think A. But I want you to skip Think A for just a moment. I want you to come down here to Think B. Okay? I want you to read the directions with me. It says to place parentheses around each prepositional phrase and circle the object of the preposition, which is what I just did with you with the sentence strips. So I want you to do that for numbers 1 through 10. Remember that there could be more than one prepositional phrase in the sentence. Find your prepositions, find your object of the preposition, and put your parentheses around the whole thing. Make sure you find all of them in the sentences. And then when you have time, extra time during your seat work time, go back to Think A on the top, okay? But more importantly, I need you to finish Think B by yourself and send it to me on Google Classroom. If you have any problems, let me know, and we will see you back for lesson 140 next week. Have a great day.